Welcome back to MACMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. If you'd like to keep your photos private and only accessible to you, in this video you will learn how to hide and password protect photos in the macOS Photos app or secure them using an encrypted self-contained disk image. The Photos app on macOS is completely empty. There are currently no photos in any libraries, albums or folders. Let's start by adding 2 images to the library. As you would expect, when you now close and reopen the Photos app, the images will be visible straight away. Now let's say you would like to hide and password protect images. Select the images, right-click and select Hide Photos. The dialog explains that hidden photos can be found in the hidden album. Confirm this by clicking Hide. The pictures are now out of sight and moved to the hidden album that is not visible by default. To show the hidden album, select the View menu and then Show Hidden Photo Album. The images are now shown in the hidden album and no longer in the library. But we can take it a step further by password protecting the hidden album. Click Photos and then Settings and select Use Password. Now whenever you access the hidden album, authentication is required. Let me hide the hidden album again and restart Photos. Now imagine you open Photos and nothing is visible. You would think that there are no images here at first sight. But when you now show the hidden album again and then unlock it, the images are there. When you're done, lock the hidden album by exiting the Photos app or by clicking on the padlock icon if you want to continue working. To place the images back in the regular library, simply select them, right-click and then select Unhide. This method assumes that you are in the Photos app. For the second method, we are going to create an encrypted and password protected disk image. This image is unrelated to a particular application and you can store any files in it. It doesn't have to be just for images. Start the disk utility via Launchpad or maybe Spotlight. Select File and then New Image, Blank Image. Now we need to specify some details about this self-contained .dmg file. First, type a file name. For the location, by default it will be stored in your user's documents folder. I will leave that for now. Type a descriptive name and select the file size. I will go for a size of around 2 GB and if you want you can replace MB with GB and adjust accordingly. Under Format, select macOS Extended Journaled. And under Encryption, we will follow the recommendation, which is 256 bits of AES encryption. Then specify your required password or encryption key twice and click Choose. Leave all the other fields and click Save. This will generate the self-contained encrypted disk in the form of the .dmg file that is now located in the Documents folder. You can study the details if you want, and then close the disk utility. Now open Finder and simply double-click the .dmg file to provide the password and mount it to macOS. It will appear on the left-hand side panel under Locations, and most likely there will also be an icon on your desktop. Let's drag the 2 images to the disk image. And remove them from the original location. To test it, unmount the image by clicking on the eject icon and double-click the .dmg file again and then provide your password. This time double-click the desktop icon and there are your images. As stated before, any file format can be added to the disk image. Right click and eject will yield the same result. The disk will be unmounted from Finder. That's it. Hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Until next time, bye!